Namaste. The Lotus Opening Program, very unique program. The idea is to, if the Sushumna is open, the idea is to widen the passage, to ensure that movement of energy through the Sushumna is smoother. And once that happens, naturally cleansing of the chakras becomes easier, much easier. When the chakras are cleansed or cleared, a lot of problems in life just fall away. It's almost as if, like dead skin falling away. And that's what starts happening once the chakras become cleansed. In the Lotus Opening Program, what we do is, like you may have heard how each chakra is shown as having a certain number of petals, like the Muladhara has 4 petals, Swadhisthana or sacral has 6, Manipura has 10, and so on. Each chakra has a certain number of petals. What are these petals? Think of these petals as plexuses, as connections, pathways to different parts of the being. When the chakras begin to open, because the plexuses are now in a way flowering, so the movement of energy throughout the whole system becomes smoother, easier, and so on. Naturally, when movement of energy becomes smoother and easier, it starts reflecting in so many other aspects of our lives. Everything becomes smooth, even life becomes smooth. Things happen almost by magic, and one doesn't get caught up in unnecessary things that otherwise people tend to get caught up in. Every chakra has its own issues or things that kind of trap an individual in. So there are issues connected with guilt, there are issues connected with anger or insecurity, fear, and so on. But when your chakras begin to open, these just fall away from there. You don't have to fight them. There is no need to fight. It's just that your system has no need for them anymore and they just drop away. The Lotus Opening Program teaches breathing techniques which slowly begins to open all these. So you begin to flower like a lotus, and you just flower a little more and a little more. And each time that happens, your expression, your energy, your experience of life becomes smoother, easier, rounded. You just breeze through life relatively easily than you could otherwise do. And again, it's based on breathwork, and it's hard to demonstrate because the system is very subtle, and we work with the subtle breath in the Lotus Opening Program. So there is really nothing to demonstrate as far as the breath is concerned, but there are subtle things that you will pick up along the way. Please do join the program and benefit from it. Namaste.